To begin the installation process, you must remove the transit bolts on the back of the washing machine. Simply loosen all of the bolts on the rear of the machine using the supplied spanner and remove, replacing them with the supplied plastic bolt caps. When installing the drain hose, the two most common plumbing installations to connect to are either a standpipe or a spigot. On spigot connections, ensure the blanking cap is removed or cut away. To prevent backflow of wastewater, use the supplied plastic guide to ensure that the drain hose is positioned correctly. The end of the drain hose must be at least 60 centimeters above the floor. The appliance must be plumbed into a cold water supply with a 3/4-inch washing machine connection. Ensure the water supply is turned off before connecting the hose. Connect the inlet hose to the back of the washing machine and then to the water supply, using your hand to tighten. Slowly turn on the water supply and check there are no leaks. Now you can plug the machine in. Plug directly into an earthed mains socket. Do not use an extension lead or multi-plug. Do not switch on the power just yet. Once you check all of the hoses at the back are secure and in place, you can move the machine into its permanent position. Use a spirit level to check the machine is level and make sure that the feet are firmly on the floor. The machine should not rock or move. If it does, you will need to adjust the feet. To level the appliance, adjust the feet to the correct position by hand and then lock in place with the supplied spanner. Ensure that the dispenser trays and drum are both empty and then turn on the power to the washing machine. Press the power button on the front of the machine. The display will illuminate. It is important to run a calibration before using the machine for the first time. With the drum empty, hold down the delay end and temperature buttons for 3 seconds. CB should appear on the display, depending on the model. Press start to begin, and the machine will calibrate for 2 to 3 minutes. The drum will rotate periodically during this process. A chime will sound on completion, meaning that your machine is successfully calibrated and is ready to use.